It's the end of January 2026. What can I say that has not already been said? So much of life these days is trying to function normally, even though nothing is normal. Our cities have been overrun with poorly trained, masked, aggressive, and trigger-happy jackbooted brutes sent in to terrorize our community. Although ICE and DHS have no jurisdiction over U.S. citizens, they are still blatantly executing them in broad daylight. And their actions are defended and supported by our president. And here I am making a cake, because what else can I do? This cake was made from a cookbook from Bloodroot, a feminist vegan restaurant that closed recently after 48 years in business. When I stepped through the door for the first time, one of the owners greeted me and encouraged me to be at home with the words, "This is your space." Those words were simple but powerful, because that feeling of comfort and security is not one I feel often. The United States is not working for women, or people of color, or immigrants, or anyone really, aside from a few very rich white men. And yet, it should be our space, and we should feel safe. At the most basic level, safety is knowing that federal agents won't shoot you in the streets for exercising your constitutional rights. But it goes beyond that, and we need to fight for safety beyond that. We should feel safe knowing that public safety is a priority, not just apprehension. We should feel safe knowing that we have healthcare and access to affordable and nutritious food. We should feel safe that working full-time will provide us with enough to live off of, and that we have security nets to catch us when things get tough. We deserve to know that the people who are making the most from our labor are also paying the most in taxes. We also deserve to have political candidates we can get behind and that will fight for us, and not just being told to vote for the lesser of two evils. Our tax money should go towards helping communities, towards education, infrastructure, healthcare, and social security, not towards billionaire tax breaks, genocide, and threatening our communities. We must immediately defund ICE and then abolish and then prosecute, because a government should work for the people and not just the people with the most power and money. And all of us, U.S. citizens or otherwise, deserve to feel safe and that our constitutional rights, the very foundation agreed upon for our governance, will be upheld. I can't give you that. I wish I could. I do want you to know that this YouTube channel, my little vegan corner of the internet, is safe. It is your space. I know how hard it's been to function lately. I'm there with you. Let me know how I can help.